Hello and welcome. So today onwards we'll be studying the ISC physics. Today we'll just see the paper pattern. Now this paper will be consisting of theory practical papers separately. Now the detailed syllabus and the specimen papers are given in the site called cisc.org. The link will be attached below in the description box. Now the paper-wise marks distribution consists of 100 marks question, which will be divided into two parts, that is 70 marks and 30 marks. The 70 marks paper will be having 3 hours written examination with 15 minutes reading time. The 30 marks paper will be consisting of 3 parts, that is practical examination, project file and the practical file. The practical examination will be consisting of 15 marks practical paper with 3 hours writing time, and obviously in that 3 hours you have to do the practical exam also, and 15 minutes reading time will be allotted to that. Now the project and the practical files will be separately done. The theory paper will be consisting of 2 parts, that is a compulsory part and the optional part. The compulsory part is called the section A and the optional part will be called as section, actually it is going to be B, C and D, so it is a mistake over here. Now the section A will be consisting of 12 marks question, which will be 5 marks MCQs and 7 marks answer briefly. There will be 11 questions of 2 marks each in section B. Section C will be having 7 questions of 3 marks each, and section D will be having 3 questions of 5 marks each with 3 internal choices, 2 and 2 internal choices. So you can see the internal choices over here. The meaning of internal choice is, say for example, if these are the 2 questions, instead of having a choice between groups of questions, there will be a choice between single questions, like this. Now this is the unit wise marks distribution that has been allotted. So each of this unit carries a certain amount of marks which has been allotted by the council. Now the practical examination of 15 marks consists of a variety of topics which is there in the scope of syllabus. Now whatever practicals will be done, it will be written in the lab manual, and that lab manual will be consisting of 5 marks. The project file consists of 10 marks and it will be evaluated on the basis of the introduction, contains, conclusion, all these different points. Now there can also be a model based project, so you can make a model of some physics related topic and you can actually show it. For example, you can make a drone or you can make something like robots or anything which is physics related, and that also can be made, and here this is the way it will be evaluated. Also there can be other investigative kind of projects, and on that also this kind of evaluation will be there. So that's all. Thank you.